Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to reinstate the asset. Say for example, user has retired one asset by mistakenly. Now you want to bring it to place. I mean, you want to bring it into service. Now click on Navigator, click on Fixed Assets. Now click on Assets. Now, before that, I wanted to change something. Click on Setup and Maintenance. Say Manage System Controls. Open the task, Manage System Controls. Disable this checkbox. Say save and close. Now, click on Navigator. Click on Fixed Assets. Click on Task List. Now, click on Add Asset. Now, select your category. Major category is building and minor category is office. Say office. Now click on OK. Now description re reinstate reinstate. What is the cost? Say 50 lakhs. And what is the location of the asset? Now select the location and click on OK. Now click on next. Now asset number 3022. Now if you want to specify the asset key, you can specify that. Compressor station. Now click on OK. I'm good with this information. Now say save, submit. Now click on ready to post. Yeah. Now click on select the record and click on post all. Now system will submit a job. Let us review that. Click on tools. Click on scheduled process. Yeah, system submitted post mass additions. Let us review that. Yeah, it is succeeded and it is running the report. Let us wait until the job is successfully completed. Yeah, the job is successfully completed. Now let us review the report. Why I am not able to understand, even though there is some issue with this instance, I think so. So click on Navigator, click on Fixed Assets, click on Ready to Post. Okay, I think that asset got loaded. Now click on Navigator, click on Fixed Asset Inquiry. Now search with building. Yeah, that asset got loaded. And We will now retire this asset 3022. And you can see 50 lakhs. Yeah, now we'll retire this asset 3022. Click on home. Click on fixed assets. Click on assets. Click on task list. Now click on retire asset. What is the asset number that you want to retire? Say 3022. Now click on search. You can retire cost or units as we discussed. Now I'll go with retire units. How many units? Say 1. And you can mention the amount, the cost of removal, the retirement reason, etc. Now click on save and submit. Yeah, now this asset got retired. Now if you go and check, click on task list, click on inquire assets. What is the asset number? 3022. Now this asset got retired. See, now it got retired. You can see the cost. There is no cost, adjustable recoverable cost and all. From this cost history, you can able to understand whether this asset is retired or not. You can see all the transactions and you can see the transaction type is full retirement in transactions. Now we'll see how to reinstate this asset. Click on task list. Click on reinstate assets, and if you want to go with specific asset number, you can search it over here. Click on search. Now select the record and click on reinstate. Say yes. System is throwing a warning. 3022 will be reinstated. Do you want to continue? Click on yes to continue. Now click on done. Now let us check. Click on assets. Click on task list. Now click on inquire assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on search. Now if you see the cost history, the transactions, see full retirement is completed and reinstatement is also completed. So this is how you can reinstate. This is full retirement, and now we'll check the cost retirement as well. Click on task list. Now click on retire assets. Now say asset number 3022. Now click on search. Now select this record and click on retire cost. The cost is 50 lakh, and how much you want to retire? Say 25 lakh I want to retire from this asset. Click on save. Click on submit. Now click on done. Now click on task list. Now click on Enquire Assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on Search. Now click on Transactions. You can see partial retirement has happened. Reinstatement happened. Now partial retirement is happened. Now click on Done. Click on Task List. Now click on Reinstate Assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on Search to retrieve the search results. Now select this record and click on Reinstate. You want to continue, say yes. Yes, I want to continue. Now click on Done. Now click on Task List. Now click on Enquire Assets. Now search with your asset number. Click on Search. Click on Transactions. It got reinstated. Now we will see the full amount. Click on Task List. Click on Retire Assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now select this record and click on Retire Cost. Now I want to go with full amount. The cost retired, full amount. Now click on Save. Click on Submit. Now let us check. Click on Task List. Click on Enquire Assets. Search with your asset number 3022. Click on Search. Click on Transactions. Since we have retired the full amount, it is taking full retirement. Now click on Done. Now click on Task List. Now click on Reinstate Assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on Search. Select this record and click on Reinstate Asset. Now click on S. Click on Done. Click on Task List. Now click on Enquire Assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on Search. Now if you click on Transactions, the asset has been put into service again. Now run Create Accounting. Click on Task List. Click on Create Accounting. Select your corporate book, Supremo corporate book. Yes, I want to categories all. What is the date? Accounting model process, evening report style detail. Yes, I'm good with these parameters. Now click on Submit. Two 734. Click on OK. Now let us review the process. Click on Tools, Scheduled Process. Click on Refresh. Create Accounting for Assets. It is running. It is running. The parent job is running. Let us wait up until all the child jobs are successfully completed. Now click on create accounting execution report. Now click on default document to review the document. Yeah. Now addition is 1, retirements 6 processed, and how many ledgers? US primary ledger and US RCSLA EUR. Now search for our transaction, the retirement transaction. Now let us check our asset. Click on fixed assets. Click on task list. Click on inquire assets. Now search with your asset number 3022. Now click on search. Now click on transactions. Click on view accounting. Yeah, these are the accounting entries. Cost to NBV retired. Now we'll see all the accounting entries. First, from addition, you will see the accounting entry. Click on addition record. Click on view accounting. Click on additions. Click on view accounting. If you do an asset addition, that means the entry is cost to cost clearing, cost account debit and cost clearing credit. And if you do any transfer, let us review, there is no entry. Now click on full retirement. Click on view accounting. NBV retired to cost. Click on reinstatement. Now click on view accounting. Cost to NBV retired. Now click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.